Welcome back to AutoReviewZone, your trusted source for the latest bike reviews and updates. The 2025 Keeway V302C Benda is a stylish bobber-style cruiser motorcycle from Keeway's Benda lineup, blending retro aesthetics with modern performance. Launched as part of Keeway's affordable cruiser series, it's powered by a compact V-twin engine and designed for urban adventures and relaxed cruising. The Black Colour Edition features a sleek, glossy black finish, emphasizing its minimalist bobber look with matte black accents on the exhaust, wheels, and engine components. This edition highlights a premium, all-black theme for a stealthy, urban vibe, making it ideal for riders seeking a low-slung, easy-to-handle bike. It's BS6 compliant and available in markets like India, the UK, and the US through Keeway dealerships, with a focus on value-driven features like dual-channel ABS and LED lighting. Key specifications: engine, V-twin liquid-cooled 8-valve SOHC, 298 cubic centimeters displacement. Bore x stroke, 58 mm x 56.4 mm. Compression ratio, 11.5 to 1. Fuel system, electronic fuel injection EFI. Power, 29.9 horsepower, approximate 29.5 horsepower, at 8,500 revolutions per minute. Torque, 26.5 Newton-meters at 6,500 revolutions per minute. The engine delivers smooth low-end pull from 3,000 RPM, with a noticeable surge at 6,000 revolutions per minute and a top speed around 140 kilometers per hour. It's tuned for city riding but handles highways well without vibrations above 2,000 revolutions per minute. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox with wet multiplate clutch and chain final drive. Chassis and suspension, tubular steel frame. Front, upside-down forks, non-adjustable. Rear, preload adjustable dual shocks, 42 mm travel. The setup offers firm, sporty handling for aggressive cornering, but can feel stiff on rough roads, prioritizing stability over plush comfort. Brakes and wheels, dual-channel ABS standard. Front, single disc, 300 mm, with twin piston caliper. Rear, single disc, 220 mm, with single piston caliper. Wheels, alloy 16-inch front, 120/80-16 tubeless tire. 15-inch rear, 150/80 15 tubeless tire. Ground clearance, 158 mm. Dimensions and weight. Length, 2,120 mm. Width, 836 mm. Height, 1,050 mm. Wheelbase, 1,420 mm. Seat height, 690 mm. One of the lowest in its class, ideal for shorter riders at 5 feet 4 inches or above. Curb weight, 167 kilograms. Fuel tank, 15L, offering a city mileage of 37.03 kmpl and highway of 29.6 kmpl. Overall around 30 to 35 kmpl depending on conditions. Electronics and features: full LED lighting, headlight, taillight, turn signals. Digital circular instrument cluster displaying speed, tachometer, odometer, trip meter, gear position, and fuel gauge. Includes a 2-in-1 exhaust for a throaty V-twin rumble. No traction control, but the ABS enhances safety. Premium double seat with optional pillion grab rail. Design and Black Colour Edition highlights the V302C Benda draws from classic bobber cruisers with a low profile, wide handlebars, and teardrop fuel tank. The glossy Black Edition amplifies its modern retro appeal. Color scheme: all over glossy black with subtle matte black finishes on the engine covers, exhaust, and alloy wheels. It includes blacked-out mirrors and fork accents for a cohesive, aggressive look without chrome distractions. This edition contrasts with other variants like silver or gold, offering a stealthier urban aesthetic. Styling details: round LED headlight with classic housing, bobber-style fenders, and a tucked-in rear for a clean silhouette. The seat is low and supportive, with a solo rider focus but accommodating a passenger. The exhaust produces a satisfying baritone note, enhanced in black for a premium feel. Overall, it's lightweight and maneuverable, with a relaxed riding position suited for city traffic or weekend rides. Ride quality: reviewers praise its accessibility due to the 690 mm seat height, allowing flat footing for confidence. Handling is nimble for a cruiser, thanks to the firm suspension, but it shines in straight-line cruising rather than twisties. The V-twin engine is refined, with no knocking at idle, making it beginner-friendly yet fun for experienced riders. Pricing and availability. Price. In India, the glossy black edition starts at approximately 3.39 rupees lakh, ex-showroom, around $4,000. US MSRP for the base V302C is $4,999, with the Black Edition potentially adding $200 to $300 for custom finishes. UK pricing is around £4,499. Prices may vary by region and include on-road costs. Check for promotions like zero-down financing. In the US, it's distributed via Keeway America, with availability from spring 2025. Market focus. Primarily targeted at emerging markets like India and Southeast Asia, with growing presence in the US and Europe. Available at Keeway/Benda authorized dealers. The 2025 model includes minor updates like refined EFI mapping for better emissions. This cruiser stands out for its punchy V-twin in a sub-300cc package, offering great value against competitors like the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 or Honda Rebel 300. The Black Edition adds exclusivity without inflating the price. For the most accurate regional details, consult official Keeway sources, as specs can vary slightly by market. If you need comparisons or test ride info, let me know.